Hey, so if you want to build clean and interactive pages in 2026, using web parts in SharePoint is actually the easiest way to do it. I'll walk you through everything step by step. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, go to your site and either open an existing page or create a new one where you want to add content. Next, click on the Edit button so you can start customizing the page. Now click the plus icon on the page to add a new web part. You'll see options like text, images, document libraries, quick links, and more. Now, select a web part and adjust its settings like content, layout, or linked data. Yeah, you can drag and move web parts around to design a clean and organized layout. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your page live. So yeah, that's how you can use SharePoint web parts in 2026. It's a simple way to build modern pages without coding. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.